Well, you're either making payments or you're making repairs. Or both if you're really unlucky. So the tilt cylinder here has been leaking since I bought the machine, but very slowly. And recently the leak has been getting worse and worse. So I went down to Bobcat and got a repack kit for that. So I got to remove this pin up here. This pin down here is actually a new pin. You got to disconnect a couple hydraulic hoses, and hopefully hopefully that comes apart. These things come apart pretty hard. I like these jack stands because they have this additional lock here that prevents them from sliding up or down. Just an added safety feature. I'm going to attempt to break this free on the machine because right now there's a pins holding the cylinder in place. So I got something to pry against. If we take it off from the bench, then we got to find some way to hold the cylinder steady, and that's pretty hard to do. Get some of the oil out of this. Look at that. Oh, we got lucky on that one. Okay. I was thinking there was going to be a snap ring on the other side, but I didn't see one. So it looks like it's just this one bolt. The nut's all screwed up. Maybe I can do this. If not, I'll have to cut it off. Can't say I haven't been greasing it.
Maine's classic rock station. I'm Jay Stu. I didn't catch his name, but I'll shout out the guy from Portland Glass that was changing my neighbor's windshield display.
So this is the seal that failed right here. It's just a wiper and a seal behind it. But when you buy the seal, you get the whole kit. So you might as well replace them all while you're at it. And that includes the ones down the puck, which you'll see in a second. Little plugs are creating suction. We may or may not be replacing that one. So we got to get this big guy out of here. It looks like I don't have a 3/4 inch reducer. I have zero expectation for this to work, but it's worth a try before I go drive into town to get an adapter. Okay, off to Harbor Freight. Well, that worked, but I was hoping not to drop this on the floor, but we'll get it cleaned up, put her back together. Got a wiper and a seal, O-ring, whatever that is. This is the one that's hard to do. Wow, that went on pretty hard, huh? New seal, new wiper. Got this O-ring right here. That part's done. So here's the deal. It's like a hard plastic. I either don't do it, because that's not where the failure was, and just put it back together, or I figure out how to do it, and do it wrong, and then I gotta buy a whole new kit. I'm gonna see if I can get this on here, and if I can get it on there, I'm gonna go ahead and remove that one. If I can't get it on without breaking it, I'm just gonna live with what's there. And it's not very stretchy material. I'm sure you hydraulic guys are freaking out right now, but I'm doing what I can. I think that'll go back in the barrel. So what $100 buys you. Looks like there's already thread locker in there, but I'm going to put a dowel on there anyway. And this does not look directional. So you know, you look everywhere online when you're buying a piece of equipment to see what reviews are out there and what machines are performing well and whatnot. For whatever reason, the T200, which was Bobcat's first adventure into the tracked machine, has a bad reputation. They all say, oh, well, the T190 was better, and it has the old engine, the Deutz diesel, electrical nightmare, and this machine has been absolutely wonderful. Lots of power. I put tracks on it. I put a starter in it. This is the second cylinder I rebuilt. I built one on the lift arm, but those are just maintenance items. This thing will push and push and push and push. Strong little machine. It's about 8,000 pounds, 8,500 pounds. 80 horsepower, I think it is, 75 or 80 horse. It lifts like, I want to say like 2,500 pounds. I got no complaints. A little bit of maintenance here and there is all right. the 864 was the first tracked machine from Bobcat, and this is an 864. They just renamed it to the T200. This was only produced for 3 years as the T200, and I think 2 years as the 864. So, I mean, it's an old machine. It's 20 years old, but for the most part, it does what I ask of it. So, I can't complain at all, especially for the cost of a new one. You know, $85,000, $95,000, and you have emissions and all that other crap to go with it. This is just a mechanical diesel. It's got mechanical valve body on it. You're pushing the levers and you're opening the valves. So I can't complain at all. It's been a good little machine. I'd buy another one in a heartbeat. Always keep old hardware. And when you're at yard sales, pick up the piles of stuff they have. Oh, that was easy. Sight glass. Well, there, that's fixed.